Hi, Lexie. So today we're going to be talking about the claim data warrant thing that we talked about whenever we came to visit you guys in your 6th period class. So it seems like you really understand the claim. You do a good job by explaining why the author uses first person's point of view in the passage, and you also give an example to back up your claim. So that's really good. For the data part, you do also a really good job. You give specific examples by giving specific quotes, which is really good. The only thing I would do to add a little bit of detail is to show and tell. So you do this a little bit by adding a little bit of supporting detail after the specific quote. The only thing that I would do is just give a little bit more detail. So here you say, when the author uses that in her passage, she shows how it is detailed. You want to explain exactly what the detail is in the quote. And lastly, so I couldn't really find the warrant here. You kind of restate your claim, which is okay, and you also kind of ended in the middle of a sentence here with, it looks like you're going to put a direct quote. I don't think that's really necessary. For the warrant, you just have to explain why the author wrote the way they did. So you want to give a reason, and I use the word rationale over here. But if you want to give a reason to why the author wrote the way that she did, and that's basically what the warrant is. So you don't really need any specific quotes here. That's mainly for the data part. Other than that, you did a really good job, so good job.